Assalamu alaikum, my name is Sayyada Anamshali and I am here to present the palpation of precordium. What is precordium? Precordium is basically the part of the thorax right above the heart. To palpate the precordium, the flat of the palm is placed on the lower part of the left side of chest, then along the left parasternal border and finally upper part of the right side of the chest. Why do we palpate the precordium? It is basically to assess the size of the heart, to assess for the presence of a heave or lifting of the chest, or to assess of the presence of a thrill or disturbed blood flow. There are some signs that to be noticed by palpation. These signs includes sight and character of the apex beat, left parasternal heave, palpable heart sounds and thrills. First, we will talk about the palpation of apex beat. But before the palpation, we have to adjust the position of the patient. The patient should be lying in supine position before the palpation of the patient. Now, how do we palpate and what is apex beat? Apex beat is basically the lowermost and outermost part of the precordium where a definite cardiac impulse is felt. How do we palpate the apex beat? To palpate the apex beat, we place flat palm over the left side of patient's chest in a way that it covers 4th to 7th intercostal space. Once the palpations are felt, locate their outermost part with the tip of finger and determines its character and sight. With the term sight, it means location. For example, anterior, posterior and mid-axillary lines. And with the term character, it is defined as what kind of palpation is felt. For example, either it was normal, tapping, heaving, ill sustained, well sustained. How was it? After palpating the apex beat, we will go for parasternal heave. A parasternal impulse may be felt when the heel of the hand is rested right above left of the sternum with the fingers lifted slightly of the chest. Normally, in normal cases, there is no impulse or slight inward impulse is felt in parasternal heave. The heel of the hand is lifted off the chest wall with each systole. There are some heart sounds that can also be palpated, and they are divided into 4 categories. First heart sound, second heart sound, third and fourth heart sound. First heart sound is palpable at apex in mitral stenosis and is called tapping apex beat. And it is palpable at the apex of the heart. The second heart sound is palpable at pulmonary area and pulmonary hypertension due to dilated pulmonary arteries. And the third and fourth sounds are not that common, but they can be palpated. Now, if we talk about the thrills, what is a thrill? Thrill is basically when a loud murmur becomes palpable. That palpable loud murmur is called as a thrill. And it resembles the sound of cat purring. Thrills are best noticed when a person leans forward holding his breath in expiration. If a thrill is palpable, note its sight and timings. With the term timings, it means systolic or diastolic. There are 2 types of thrills on the basis of the timing, as discussed before. Diastolic thrills are basically because of mitral stenosis, and systolic thrills are basically because of mitral regurgitation. And both of them are palpable at apex. As you can see, this picture. I added this picture in the presentation for the better understanding. This is basically the summary of how the precordium is palpated through pictures, and for the better understanding. Thank you.